Hi, in this video update, I am going to show you some of the progress that we have made with Dash. So we've revamped the video list page and added more information about your videos. One of the columns that we've added is the privacy column, which specifies whether your video is publicly shared, whereby you will see this eye icon, or whether it's private. And so in this case, you'll see this alternative barred eye icon. So a private video means that it is only available to you and won't be shared to anyone else. The other notable addition that we've made to the list page is the inclusion of a thumbnail. So this is the first frame of your video which we have essentially generated a thumbnail for. In the cases where obviously we've generated that thumbnail, it appears, but in cases where we don't have a thumbnail, we use this placeholder thumbnail here. One thing that we thought would be quite cool is actually to slightly change the thumbnail upon hover. So when you hover on a given thumbnail, and in this case the placeholder one, the thumbnail brightens up firstly, and in the case of the placeholder thumbnail we display a slightly different image which invites the user to click so that they can view their video. You can see obviously the brightness effect upon hovering. Let's now look at a specific video. So we could look at this video, for instance. So on the video page itself, you can see that we've added summary information about your drive. So now we record the average speed of the video alongside with the distance traveled as well, and obviously you've got the total time of that video. We've added extra information on the video, such as the ability now to set a title for the video. So for instance, if you want to modify the title of a video, you can simply hover your mouse over the title and then click, and then you can just type whatever you want. Eddie's Drive in Nov 2019, for instance. And similarly, you can also edit the description of your video. This is Eddie driving in November 2019. Sorry. If you click away, this is saved automatically to the platform. You have the ability to toggle the units, so from kilometers per hour to miles per hour. And you can also set the video to not shared or shared. So in the case where your video is shared, I've already prepared another tab here where we see the shared video. So this was prepared in advance, so you can see that the title and the description haven't updated yet. However, if I refresh, you will see that the title and the description have been updated accordingly. The shared view of the video is quite similar to the other view, except that obviously you do not have the ability to change the title nor the description, or to change the sharing settings of the video. But otherwise, you see the same type of information, and you can also obviously change the units as you see fit. You can see that it changes as well down here. And similarly, you can play your video. You can see that on the map, the pointer orients in the direction of your drive, and the speed graph shows the speed captured through your dash cam. You can fast forward, backwards, you can move the speed dot to a particular time within the video, but you can also do the same with the video gauge as well. So all the elements on this page synchronize together if you move things forward or backward. That's it for our March update. Thank you for watching that video.